A green building is a building that takes care about people, planet and profit.
The mission of green building councils is to transform the industry towards sustainability. And the way that green building councils do that is they facilitate market dynamics for that transformation to take place at a pace that is good for business. Once tenants, whether office tenants, homeowners, start really understanding the benefit of green building, then they start to ask for green building. Then the building industry can meet that demand.
There are countless benefits from healthier, more comfortable spaces for the occupants, which on the other hand translates to more productive spaces, more profitable spaces for the owners, for the employers.
A green building is simply a better quality building, actually. It's a more efficient building, it's often a better daylit building, it's better ventilated, it's a healthier, nicer place to live, to work or to play, you know. So for me it's not difficult to make the link between that and a building being worth more to people.
To allow an architect, an engineer, a project manager that really wants to build green, we give them the tools to be able to communicate this in business terms to the developers and investors so that everyone can understand what's the business value of doing this. So we've designed the whole training program to allow this sort of cross-disciplinary approach to building green buildings.
Sustainability is not a technical problem. It's not a technical problem, it's a mindsetting problem. We can't do everything with the technical. We can do net zero energy building, we can do zero water consumption building, but what must be changed is the mindsetting of all the people that are involved into the building construction.
Key element to that sort of market transformation dynamic is having that language between the users of a building and the industry to supply this product we're calling a green building. And that common language is really where rating tools play a key role.
These tools are ultimately about demonstrating the credentials of a building in terms of its energy efficiency, water saving, indoor environment quality, and its overall sustainability package.
Green building councils can help industry to transform by giving them advice, by standing by them to address their agenda, to help influencing government and to share best practices with them.
In many countries, the public sector, the government sector, is one of the biggest occupiers of buildings. And if the government can lead by example, if it can say to a developer, look, we want some office space built to a higher standard of green building, then that creates the justification for a developer to deliver that building to a higher standard for all of its customers. So they can have the effect of driving up the standards across the market.
A couple of years ago, there was the discussion, is it important and do we need it? Now it's a discussion how to do it, and nobody's discussing anymore if it's important.
If you are a developer building offices, it's going to sell much faster than standard buildings, or you're going to be able to rent much faster than standard buildings.
We think this is starting to create very good business opportunities besides being something good for the planet.
I'd like to see retrofitted buildings so that we don't look only to the non-residential sector but also to the importance of the existing residential sector.
We want green buildings to go beyond the private sector, you know, the best buildings, Class A buildings. We want to have green public buildings, green schools, as well as green public housing, so everyone can benefit from the healthy environment.
As we build more and more green buildings, these become green neighbourhoods, green districts, green communities, and ultimately green cities.